In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dual-axis chart in Tableau. This powerful visualization technique allows you to display two measures on different axes to better compare and analyze your data. We'll break it down step by step so you can follow along and leverage this feature to enhance your data insights, all within the next 5 minutes. First things first, you'll need to launch Tableau on your desktop or laptop. Once you've got Tableau up and running, the next task is to connect your data source. Whether you're working with Excel, SQL, or another database, ensuring that your data is well prepared and linked is crucial for smooth visualization. Next, open a new worksheet within your Tableau workbook. This is where the magic happens. With a fresh, clean slate, you'll have the flexibility to create various visualizations without any pre-existing clutter. Now, identify a dimension you want to analyze, such as order date. Dimension fields hold the categorical data that you can use to break down your measures. Drag this dimension to either the columns or rows shelf. This initial step sets up a basic chart framework and prepares your canvas for further detailing. Following that setup, choose your first measure, like sales, and drag it over to the rows shelf. Immediately, Tableau will generate a basic chart based on this measure. Now, it's time to add your second measure for comparison. Drag this second measure to the rows shelf as well. Notice how Tableau automatically creates two separate charts, each with its own axis. This visual separation is a starting point before combining them into a dual-axis view. Your next task is to focus on the second measure you just placed on the shelf. Click on this measure to activate it. This step readies the measure for the next transformation. Once the second measure is selected, right-click on that measure's pill. This action brings up a context menu with several options. Among these options, you'll spot one labeled Dual Axis. Go ahead and click on Dual Axis. With this selection, Tableau combines both measures onto a single chart with two independent axes, one at the left for the first measure and one at the right for the second measure. Using the dual axis feature in Tableau not only enriches your visualization, but also offers a multi-perspective view of your data. It's especially handy for displaying different data sets side by side, making complex data interpretations clearer and more effective. Lastly, don't forget to sync your axes if necessary, or format them to ensure clarity in your final presentation. And there you have it, a dual-axis chart in Tableau, set up in just a few steps. Practice this method to enhance your dashboards and bring more depth to your data storytelling. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has empowered you with another valuable Tableau skill. Happy visualizing!